Hello, and today I'm going to upgrade my laptop with some more operational memory. So it's supposed to work faster after I'm done. Or you can just go here, click About. And here you can see all the information. And I have installed 6 gigabytes. First, do your research to find out which memory is good for your laptop. Then you'll need a set of screwdrivers, something to work on, like a piece of white cardboard, something flexible and not sharp, and your laptop. Well, after playing with it for a while, I wasn't able to lift the lid. I don't see what's holding it. I look inside, it's something there, definitely attached, but there's no screw for me to unscrew. But I did find where memory located and hard drive is located, so maybe I can just replace it without getting it all apart. Let's see. Okay, don't force it, don't pull it, be careful, look if there's anything else holding it. In my case, I had to lift up the keyboard, and there was another screw that was holding the laptop together. And after I removed it, I was able to open the laptop and get access to motherboard and everything else. So, whew, putting it back together, I'm going to put more memory into it. If any of you wanted to see the laptop on the inside, this is hard drive, this is all storage of your device, this is RAM memory, this is how fast it can work and how much stuff it can do at the same time. This whole thing called the motherboard, okay, and little battery right here that keep all the settings. So even if your laptop is not connected, it's always keeping all the settings. It took me a little minute to start it, but it did start. Look like it's working. So let's see what the system says now. Settings. Here's my settings. Here's my system. Down about. Installed RAM. 20 gigabytes. Yep. The first time doing it, okay. Wasn't easy, got me nervous, but my laptop is faster now. So, yep, That's how you upgrade your laptop RAM memory. Be careful. Don't take my experience as recommendation for anything. This is me sharing my experience. Whatever you do is on you.